silicon powder, carbon materials, coal, ash powder, serpentine or powder. From 5 kilograms, 20 kilograms, to 200 kg scale processing validation, Boyee has helped customers across various advanced material fields conduct real material processing trials. There is no need to purchase a complete set of equipment upfront. Customers only need to provide the raw materials, processing requirements, and target specifications. We can first verify whether the process is feasible, whether the product specifications can be achieved, and whether there is a solid basis for subsequent scale-up production. Boyee provides professional equipment, process and technical support, an experienced operating team, in-process quality control, and finished product delivery. From requirements assessment, material testing, and parameter optimization to laboratory scale validation, we focus on confirming whether the target particle size, dispersion state, and product specifications can be achieved consistently. Based on the actual test results, we then recommend the appropriate equipment configuration, process route, and scale-up solution. By validating with real materials and process data, Boyee helps customers reduce upfront equipment investment and trial production risks, providing a reliable basis for pilot-scale scale-up and production line construction. We support R&D sampling, laboratory scale validation, and processing requirements at different scales, helping shorten the cycle from material R&D to large-scale manufacturing. Have a material and target specifications, but haven't finalized the process or equipment solution? Bring your materials and technical requirements to Boyee for a processing validation test. Validate the results with real materials first, then decide how to move forward with mass production.